Welcome back to Educator Academy. So in this video we will see how to find a factorial of any number. So first of all we have to make the structure of program hash include iostream using namespace std int main and return 0. So this is actually the structure of C++ program. So now we have to make a function by using recursion. So int factorial and the number int number which is entered by user, and make a condition if the number is equal to 0 or if the number is equal to 0 or number is equal to 1, then the return 1, then return 1. And remember one thing, the factorial of 0 and 1 is always 1, that's why I am returning 1. Now we have to make the base condition, else if the upper condition is not true then it will be goes to the base condition, and then we have to returning number multiplied by factorial and number minus 1. This is actually the number. And now we have to make enter number by user, int number declaring number, and print out the we have entering number, enter number, enter the number which you want to take factorial, take factorial, and then see in that number. This is actually entering the number, and at the end we are calling the above recursion function. So we are printing the statement cout the factorial of enter number is, and the function is as the function given above is factorial. Let's make it copy and then paste here, and then pass the parameter which is actually the num, and end up this line. So now this is the whole program. Now make it save in our PC, and the name is factorial, and then let make it to save it, and then run the program. Enter the number which you want to take factorial. We have entered 5 number and the factorial is 120. So now we have to declare what we are doing. This is actually this is our factorial recursion function, factorial recursion function. And as you know, every recursion function have base statement, base case. Actually this is the base case which end up the recursion, which end up the recursion. So this is actually the whole program, as you understand. So now again run the program, enter number which you want to take factorial. We have enter number 5 and the factorial is 120. So guys, our program is working correctly.